How to add a digital clock widget on your home screen on your OnePlus phone, whether it's the OnePlus 12 or the OnePlus 13. So if you want something like this here, you'll need to go ahead and install the Google clock widget. All right, so it's a free one, and once you install it, it will now be part of the widgets to add on. So let's go ahead and get started. Once the app is fully installed on your OnePlus phone, go ahead and long press a blank area like this here, and you'll see these options show up to the bottom section. You'll go to where it says widgets right there, and you'll see these different widgets you can add on your home screen. So from here, go down until you see the part that says clock. You have the option to choose between analog or just digital, and you also have a few more others such as the stacked and the world time. But if you just want the simple digital one here, go ahead and select this option. When you do this, you will have the solid version or the transparent one, and it depends on which one you want, but you only get two for the digital type. So if you go for this one here, this is going to appear like this here, and while in this mode here with the little circles on the sides, you can pull on them and adjust the size of it to make it as big as possible. Okay, now if you did want to change the size or move it somewhere else, you can also long press it and move it around or bring it over to the next page. And also once you release it, you'll see the circles once again to perhaps maybe shrink the size of it. And that'll be all. Like and sub.